Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create another program that will solve the weekly wages of an employee in a company using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo guys, sa mga Filipinos ko na mga vloggers at saka gusto matuto ng computer programming. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using PyCharm Community Edition that is free to download in the website of JetBrains. So we have here a method or a function. Diff weekly wages solve. We have two parameters: total hours, hourly wages. Return the total weekly wage for a worker working total hours with a given regular hourly wage. Include overtime for 40 hours over. If total hours less than or equal to 40, total wages are to hourly wages multiplied by total hours if there is no overtime. So assuming that the worker is working 5 days a week in a week, that is from Monday to Friday, 8 hours, no? 8 to 5, so 40 hours. Or else if it is overtime, total hours minus 40, total wages, hourly wages times 40 plus, open and close parentheses, 1.5 hourly wage multiplied by overtime, return total wages. Div main print for new line. The title is weekly wages in Python, print. And then line number 16 up to 17, we are asking user to give enter hours work using float if there is a decimal places, and wage in Philippine peso paid per hour. And then total here, another variable, and then we are calling a method that we have created for solving the regular wage and the overtime. The name of the method or a function is weekly wages solve. And then here print, and then line number 22, it will display the wage for hours at Philippine peso wage dot f, two decimal places, per hour, our PHP total colon 2 decimal places, and end of program, and then main execute our main function. I will put a link in the description below guys so that you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, so let us clear all, and then let us execute our program. What is the program is, okay, weekly. Okay, so weekly wages in Python, enter hours work. Let's say we have 45 hours, meaning we have 5 hours overtime. Let's say for example the hour per rate is 100 pesos in 50 centavos. Wages for 45 hours at 150 pesos per hour are 4,773.75. End of program. Another example, number of hours work. Let's say we have 50 hours, and then rate per peso we have 254.75 centavos. Wages for 50 hours means we have 10 hours overtime at 254 pesos and 55 centavos is 14,011 pesos and 25 centavos. And a program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create weekly wages program that will solve the weekly wage of the employee working in a company. I will put a link in the description below guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat po guys sa panonood. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe po, mag-like po sa channel ko. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.